Chapter 2: The Story of the Kheer. Learning Objectives 1. Understanding the importance of being kind. 2. Knowing the history of Kheer and Lord Ganesh. Warm up. Look at these pictures of well-known Indian sweets. Which is your favorite? Words to know: form, kheer, realized, offered, idle, entire. Instruction for discussion. Encourage students to participate in warm-up game and ask which sweet dish they like the most and why. Lord Ganesh, in the form of a boy, once entered a village while carrying milk and rice in his hands. He started requesting help to cook some kheer, but everyone was busy. "Will you help me cook this kheer, lovely lady?" he said when he arrived at a shack belonging to a poor woman. "Of course, I'll help you," the woman replied. "I'm preparing a meal for myself. I will prepare the kheer for you too." After combining the rice, milk and sugar, she put the saucepan on the stove to cook. She kept off while it was cooking. So the boy went outside to play. She found that kheer had prepared and was incredibly delicious when she awoke. She couldn't help but taste it because she was so hungry. She took some of the kheer in a bowl, though, and gave it to the idol of Lord Ganesha before she began to eat it. She then began eating the kheer. The saucepan was never completely empty no matter how much she ate. The woman gave the boy the full pot when he came back, stating that she had eaten before giving him any because she was hungry. "I ate it too," the boy said. The poor woman was surprised. "But when did you eat it?" she questioned. "I spent all of my time here," Ganesh said with a smile. "When you offered the bowl to the idol, I ate it." The woman then understood who the little boy was. She fell at his feet crying with joy, and Ganesh blessed her with wealth and health. Find meaning. Once, one time. Shack, a roughly built hut or cabin. Prepare, make or cook. Saucepan, a utensil to make liquid food. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever helped your mother cook? What you both were cooking? Share with your friends and classmates. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Using different leaves, prepare the model of Lord Ganesh. A practice picture has been given for you to observe and understand. Paste your leaves in the given space. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Let's play this game, and the child who completes the fastest will win. Best of luck! Directions. Count the items, write the number, color the picture. Logical decision making. Imagine a situation where someone comes to you and asks for your help. That person is hungry. What would you do to help him? Write a paragraph on it into 50 to 60 words. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. What did the poor lady do before eating the kheer? Answer. She took some of the kheer in a bowl and gave it to the idol of Lord Ganesh before she began to eat. B. Why did the poor lady start to cry? Answer. The poor lady started crying with joy when she realized that the little boy was Lord Ganesh himself. C. Why do you think Ganesh blessed the poor lady? Answer. Ganesh blessed the poor lady because the poor lady cooked delicious kheer for him. Find their meanings. A. Awaking. To wake up. B. State, condition. C. Surprise, shock. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. I am cooking a meal for myself. B. Little boy entered the village. C. He was asking everyone for kheer. D. The poor lady ate the kheer because she was hungry. Take the correct option. A. Lord Ganesh chose which character? 1. A man. 2. A boy. 3. A girl. 2. A boy. B. What did Lord Ganesh want to cook? 1. Pulao. 2. Curry. 3. Kheer. 3. Kheer. C. She offered kheer to whom before eating? 1. Lord Ganesh. 2. Lord Krishna. 3. Lord Hanuman. 1. Lord Ganesh. Conceptual understanding. Put a tick if you agree with the sentence or a cross if you do not agree. A. The villagers did not know that the little boy was Ganesh. Right. B. The lady was poor but kind-hearted. Right. C. The poor lady ate the kheer because she was greedy. Wrong. D. Ganesh was angry with the poor lady. Wrong. Communication. Writing skills. Ojas is talking to his mother. Fill in these blanks by choosing the correct words from the box. Rishu, park, squirrels, tree, cake, juice, strawberry, cat, Zippo, zippy. Ojas, Mother, I wish Rishu takes me to the park with him. I want to look at the squirrels and sit under the shade of tree. Mother, I will ask your brother to take you with him. You must first eat this slice of cake and drink juice. Ojas, please put a strawberry on the cake. Mother, Ojas, give some food to Zolo, the cat, sitting outside of house. She and her 2 kittens, Zippo and Zippy, must be hungry. Ojas, okay, mother. Reading skills. Read the poem below and share its meaning that you understand with your friends. The perfect cup of cocoa is rich and chocolatey and always warm but not too hot, a steaming chocolate sea. The surface is enclosed beneath a thick marshmallow mound which melts into a gooey cloud without the slightest sound. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will recite a story from Panchtantra. Listen to the story carefully. She will also ask some questions. Answer them when your turn comes. Let's learn spellings. Each word below has 1 letter missing. Print the correct letter on the space for each word. 1 block is done to help you. A. Traded. B. Grey. C. Hopes. D. Share. E. Camel. F. Stretch. Let's learn grammar. Sentences. We have already learned that when words are placed one after another in the right order, together they are called a sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Tick the group of words that form a sentence. A. Raman is unwell. B. Coming are Shivi's friends home. C. Renee likes to play badminton. D. Zubair are going to park and Nina. Answer A. Raman is unwell. C. Renee likes to play badminton. Vocabulary time. Fill in the blanks with many, a few, some, a little or much correctly. A. There are a few flowers in Kavi's garden. B. Give me a little sugar to add to my milk. C. There's not much juice left in the glass. D. I have many sheets with me. E. Zaid has a little bit of time to rest. Life skills. Interrelationship skills. We see homeless people across the road here and there. They look weak and hungry. They ask for food and money from the people passing by. We should help those homeless people by giving them food and clothes. Write a paragraph in 50 to 60 words on helping others.